To officially start our program this afternoon, may I request everyone to please rise for the opening prayer to be followed by the singing of Philippine National Anthem and Tagong Hymn.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Our Heavenly Father, we offer you our thanksgiving. We thank you for everyone gathered here today to walk with you. May we ask you for your blessings and guidance so that the activities set for this undertaking be successful. We ask you to open our eyes to see the wonderful things from this activity. We ask that you open our ears so that we may retain the invaluable knowledge. Open our minds for us to think wisely. Put us with understanding, cooperation, and peace in fulfilling our responsibilities. Open our hearts so that we may receive your everlasting love, and open our spirit so that we may know that you are with us all throughout the day. We ask all this in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ang sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na naghihindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang ay di magtitingin, luman ang araw ng walhagin pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga amin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now take your seats. Today, we will witness a competition to celebrate the voice, spirit, and unity of the youth. A voice that inspires, a rhythm that ignites, a passion that brings us together as one. At this juncture, this stage becomes a battlefield of energy, creativity, teamwork, and pride. Prepare to hear voices that will echo beyond this moment. Prepare to witness movements that will awaken this spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kalimbani Inter-School Jazz Chants Competition 2026. Let's welcome our host, Mr. John Robert Buller.
Maraya Tagumayan! Ayan, it's been a great pleasure having me here in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026. Are you guys ready? Ayon! Let me hear your shout and say, what? Grabe! different schools in Tagum City. And of course, we are going to witness some amazing talents later on. Who is your bet, guys? Shout your bet! Ayun! I could hear some City High. Grabe! Lakas na lakas ang City High. Woo! Grabe, thank you so much for having me here today in this wonderful celebration in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chat Competition 2026. And of course, this event wouldn't be possible without my partner in crime, a Federation of Tagum City Youth Junior officials, and of course, a member of the Tagum City Hosting Collective. Let's welcome my co-host, Miss Altea Rehamna Malila.
Do you feel the beat, Kabatang Tagumanyos?
Wow!
Grabe!
What
Look
energy
at
you
this
have!
crowd, Robert! Talagang, I can feel the energy is on top.
Nice! I love your suit, Altea.
Thank you so much. You look good as well.
Thank you so much. O sana, ukay-ukay?
Yes, ang fit from Ukay. Ganon.
Yan. So, fun fact everyone, Althea was the champion last year.
Yes, actually, that is so true. It feels like a full circle moment for me right now to be on stage as your host.
Wow, so grabe sa pagka-champion ni mo last year, nahimo na kang host karon. What a job of event it was. And now at this juncture, everyone, we are gathered at the Hermehildo C. Bayolo MD Hall to celebrate the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026 with the theme Malalim at Malaya, lasting friendship for sustainable futures that reminds us that strongest kiss begin with genuine friendship. And we welcome you to Tagum City Youth Festival 2026! Grabe!
Our symbol for this year is the tabanog, the traditional kite. A kite doesn't soar on its own. It rises with the wind. It stays steady because of the string and flies higher when someone is guiding it. Just like us, we go farther when we lift each other up. So today, let's make new friends, learn from one another, and create memories that will last beyond this festival. Because like the tabanog, we don't just fly, we soar together.
And spot on, Taya, to give us the perfect head start and welcome to this amazing youth gathering. Let's hear it from our dynamic City Councilor, Honorable Rex Jasper Ala. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Thank you. First of all, may hapon sa ato ang tanan. Bilisan ako ni palapason, Sir Ed, sa imuhang staff, sa tanan nga mga volunteers, labi na sa tanan nga mga mag-perform karong hapuna, mga different school. Congratulations sa inyuhang tanandaan. Sa inyuha pa lang pag-anhi karong hapuna, you are all winners. Mao gila, congratulations. Palakpakan na itong sarili. And kaning ato ang pagtapok karon labi na pag-celebrate nato no sa ato ang Youth Festival 2026. Labi na gyud pasalamatan nato og atong palakpakan. Walay lain, action agad. Mayor Ray Uy. Sa inyong tanan, kaning ato ang talento, kaning ato ang pagabuhaton karon, kaning ato ang just chant, nagahatag ni sa inyuha nga ang inyuhang talento ipakita gyud ninyo not only diri sa syudad sa Tagum, apan moabot ni dili lang sa Pilipinas, moabot gyud ni internationally. So sa inyuhang tanan, let us enjoy, and to all the contestants, congratulations once again and God bless sa inyuhang tanan.
Thank you so much, Councilor Rex, for those encouraging and empowering words. Now, before we witness the performances, of course, we need to lay down the ground rules first. Listen closely as I read the mechanics. The mechanics. The competition is open to all public and private secondary schools within Tagum City. Each school may field only one official entry. Each participating group shall consist of 15 members, composed of 13 main performers, one instrumentalist, and one technical operator. The jazz chant piece must be original and self-composed and may be presented in Bisaya, Tagalog, or English. The content of the jazz chant shall be centered to the 16 basic Filipino values. All 4 value clusters must be presented and integrated into the performance, namely, Makadiyos, Makatao, Makabayan, at Makakalikasan. Throughout the performances, some lines will be added to their chants. Altering the words and phrases of the lines are not allowed. However, the lines of the piece can be repeated. The performance must not include offensive gestures, hand signals, lines, props, revealing costumes, political and biased movements in the performance. Wearing costumes and makeup and using minimal hand carry props are allowed. Backdrops and other huge props, risers, are not allowed on the stage. The props must incorporate the official youth festival theme, which is the kite or tabanog. Background music and sound effects are not allowed. Only vocal sounds made by the performers are allowed. Multiple musical instruments are allowed during the presentation. The use of videos and pictures to be flashed on the screen that will serve as the background of the performance is allowed during the performance. Only one technical operator is allowed to operate on the stage screen. The performance must be at least 5 minutes and not exceed more than 7 minutes. Every entry is only given 30 seconds of entrance for the preparation and another 30 seconds for the exit. The time starts when the performers perform on stage. There shall be 1 point deduction for every minute when the performance exceeds the time limit given. Any violation of the aforementioned provisions shall be grounds for disqualifications from the competition. The decision of the Board of Judges shall be final and irrevocable. And the criteria for judging: interpretation and originality, 35%. Diction and pronunciation, 30%. Facial expression and gestures, 25%. Costumes and props, 10%, with a total of 100%.
All right, thank you so much for that nice and very clear reading of mechanics and of course the criteria for judging. And of course for the competition, these spheres need the best sets of ears and eyes. These experts have the toughest job today choosing our champion. So we are going to meet our board of judges, starting with an associate professor 1 at Tagam College and the owner and publisher of Print Waves Davao Book Publishing, a writer, educator, and publishing practitioner. She has extensive expertise in language, communication, literature, journalism, and creative writing. Fields highly relevant to evaluating performance-based literary and spoken word competitions. She completed the professional education program Batch 18 and English as a medium of instruction program in 2023. She is also a fellow of the 28th Iligan National Writers Workshop, Davao Writers Workshop of UP Mindanao, and Ateneo de Davao Summer Writers Workshop, and participated in the International Conference on Bangsamoro Literature in 2022. Ms. has served as some guest speaker and resource speaker on communication, grammar, proofreading, journalism, and publishing. Her notable engagement includes building bridges, communication in a globalized, multicultural world at an international webinar with Universitas Biyangkara, Jakarta Raya, Indonesia 2025, Basic Grammar and Proofreading Style Guide 2025, and Topics on Journalism for Elementary Students 2025. And of course, Beyond the Manuscript, Navigating the Public Landscape 2024. And now, to set the place ablaze, let us all welcome Miss Sunshine C. Angos. A round of applause, please.
It's time to come together.
Grabe, we have our prominent judges in this competition. And for our next judge, a Bachelor of Science in Psychology graduate from Tagum College, a talented vocalist, former student leader, and competition. She has earned numerous distinctions in music and performing arts, including a vocal solo champion for 4 consecutive years at the Division Festival of Talents of Maragusa National High School 2016 to 2018, a grand finalist of Maragusan Singing Idol Season 7, and first place in Garbo Maragusa in 2019. She was also a Rondalia Awit soloist representing Mindanao during the Musikahan sa Tagum 2016, and a vocalist of Maragusa National High School during the National Rondal Awit competition. At Tagum College, she was a vocal solo champion for 3 consecutive years, 2022 to 2023. First runner-up in vocal solo with own composition and vocal solo champion during the Organization Day 2022. Representing Bachelor of Science in Psychology, she also placed second in infomercial making during the UMTC Psychological Festival 2022 and was recognized as UMTC DASE Miss Head Turner during the Pasigarbo 2024. Wow! As a member of UMTC Symphonia Rondalia, she helped secure second place in the Rondal Awit category of the National Rondalia Music Competition during the Musikahan sa Tagum 2024. She is a former UMTC peer facilitator and peer counselor, Harmonic Chorale Alto 1, a UMTC Trio member, and a Tagum Ambassador League Ambassadress. She also worked as an administrative assistant at City Medical Laboratory Tagum. And now let us all welcome our second judge, Miss Micah Alia Antiga. A round of applause, please. Grabe, Althea, itong mga judges.
Basta-basta kuya. Talagang alam natin that this is their field of expertise.
Yes, indeed. And now for our third judge, a physical education instructor at the University of Southeastern Philippines, Tagum Mabini campus, and currently serves as the coordinator of the Sports and Cultural Affairs Unit. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Education major in MAPE from the University of Mindanao Tagum College. Holds a Master of Arts in Education specializing in Physical Education from St. Mary's College of Tagum Incorporated. And is currently pursuing a Doctor of Philosophy in Education major in Physical Education at the University of the Immaculate Concepcion, Davao City. A dedicated practitioner in physical education, sports, dance, and performing arts. Is a former member of the Tagum Dance Sport Team and the University of Tagum College Dance Sport League, and currently serves as a trainer of the USEP Dance Sport Team Tagum Mabini Campus. Also a second runner-up in the Latin discipline during the Davao Regional Private Schools Athletic Association in 2017. A first runner-up in the Latin discipline during the Mindanao Association of Dance Sport Educators Incorporated. A competition at the Cadayawan Festival 2018, and first runner-up at the International School Contemporary Dance Competition in 2018. He was also a part of the champion team in the Inter-BPO Davao Cheer Dance Competition 2022 and served as a lead choreographer of the champion team in Barangay Musikahan sa Tagum 2025. Let's give it up to our third judge, Mr. John Robert L. Gaspan. A round of applause, please. Ayan, and that was our judges for this very exciting Inter-School Jazz Chat Competition 2026.
Alright, now I think it's time. Handa
Yes,
na ba
indeed.
kayo? It's time for the energy check. Where are our participating schools? May we hear some noise? Ay, wala. Ang hina.
Wala na ni Ulto, partner.
Kulang. Dapat supportive tayo. Isa pa. Mga maaari ba naming marinig kayo? Ayan, talagang
Yes,
energy
indeed.
na ang ating mga supporters. Now, before we proceed, I would like to remind everyone that food and drinks are strictly prohibited inside our venue. So please consume your snacks outside. And also, we encourage you to show your support only after the performance to ensure na madunggan nato ang ato ang mga performers.
And now the stage is set. The judges are ready. And our youth are fully fired up. Are you guys excited to witness the entries of the Jazz Chant competition?
Ay, ang hina. Ano
Once
ba?
again,
Excited ka ba?
who is your bet?
Ayan.
Grabe siya ng City High. Ay, dungog jud kaya na ako ang City High. And now, let the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition begin! Let us welcome entry number 1, Arriesgado College Foundation, ACFI Vanguards.
Bago tayo magsugod, kita magila-ila. Kami ang Akbay Vanguard, kita magkaiusa. Tijoki, tanawa, o paminawa. Kung basta ka ba talunan? Sugat laban! Parang ka ba talunan? Tagong padayon! Ahu, ahu! 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 Tagong padayon! Ahu, ahu!
Grabe, what a way to start the performance!
Yes, indeed! Grabe!
Talaga namang they set the stage. Thank you so much, Akfai, for that wonderful presentation. Talagang padayon tagong.
Yes, ACFI Vanguards June Ahu-Ahu! Sino kaya ang magwawagi sa ating competition, Jazz Chant competition? And before that, we're going to check the heat muna, Althea. Sige!
Nasaan ang supporters ng Akfai Vanguard? Ayan,
Ayun.
talagang set na set ang Akfai.
Grabe, magpapatalo kaya ang CMDI Chanters! Small but terrible.
Yes,
Ana lang
dili
siguro.
maliit kayo. Bupaak na later. Ana lang. Now, let me hear your loudest roar. Tagum City National High School. Grabe.
Pabor-pabor mo na yung mga partner.
Uy, wala partner. Uy,
Pabor.
talagang no biases. Grabe.
Iadyan gituyo ang City High kasi City High mo siya nag-eskwela.
Glory to my alma mater.
Okay! Next! Where the voices coming from Vox Maxima!
Yes,
Ayun sila!
Japon.
Ayun
Yes.
sila! Ayun, ayun.
And now, asaan ang supporters ng Comprehensive High School? Yeah, oy, with the drum sila partner, duk-dukon tanan.
Naaman ang festival, literal na Tagum City Youth Festival!
Hugyaw kung hugyaw, partner.
Yes, indeed! And yeah, the way the voices coming from STI Jazz Chanters!
Ay. Gihurot. Gihurot
Wow.
ang tanan, partner.
Nahurot ako syllable. Wow!
Bow down, STI. Talaga ang dami niyong supporters ngayong araw. Now, magpatalo ba ang RMC Jazz Chanter supporters?
Ayun! Ang uban
Japon.
kaya nagsakay pa siguro tricycle.
Padulong pa to, partner.
Padulong pa.
Layo-layo
Naniud
na ba
ko
ang
pa
school?
siguro. Naniud ko pa.
Layo-layo na ba ang
Okay.
RMC?
Next is, magpapatalo kaya ang Tagum Doc CI! Padulong pa dyan sila.
Yes, Tagum Doctors.
Napa sila
on the way.
kitabangan sa ilang hospital.
Kaya ano ba? Medical field.
Yes. Ana siguro, partner. Okay na siguro. And now, I think we are good to go. Are we good to go? I think hindi pa tayo ready for our next participant.
Interview kayo to, partner.
Pwede ka to mag-interview?
Interview.
I think we are going to interview. We are now going down, partner. Dito kasi Pikas, partner.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Ay, talaga nag-runway pa ako dito, guys. Sorry. Let's find someone na ma-interview natin.
We would like to thank our officials and partners for making this event possible. Honorable DiCarlo Oyo Uy, City Mayor Honorable Ray T. Uy, City Vice Mayor Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio, City Councilors Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council, National Youth Commission, DILG Tagum, LGU Offices, City Information Office, City Tourism and Management Office, Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, and Local Youth Development Council. Our partners, JCI Davao, Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association, Robinson's Mall Tagum, University of Mindanao Tagum College. Platinum sponsors, Finish Line. Gold sponsors, Askin Perfection Beauty Essentials, Gaudencio Lugaw to Go, K-Store Tagum Korean Mart, Diocesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated, Tagum Cooperative, and 365 Ice Cream and Coffee. Silver sponsors, The Turku Cafe, A touch of class, Tagum Aesthetics and Wellness Center. Madayao Hotel. Barok Cafe and Resto Tagum Branch. Dinolandia Tagum. Advantage Digital Systems. Mia's Frozen Products. Metro Gear Construction Corporation. Honorable DiCarlo Oyo Uy. And Tayo for Persons with Disability Federation. Bronze sponsors, Yuyu Cafe and Dessert Shop.
Inani na ba? Kinilasod ka ron? Ulog ka gubot. Pasag na ng palibot. Og wala lang sinabot. Si Senito! Si Senyoon! Si Senito! Si Senyoon! Si Senito! Si Senyoon! Atong sayop! Atong ang kunon! Ayaw isumbat sa uban! Kaugaligon! Atong ayoon! Para hapsay ang tanan! Dubida-badum-badum badum-daba! Dubida-badum-badum badum! Dubida-badum-badum badum-daba! Dubida-badum-badum badum! Tagumenyos! Antam na ba mo? Tagumenyos! Antam na me! Manalangin mula sa puso, sa kanya tayo manalig na buo. Sa bawat hakbang, siyang gagabay sa hirap at saya. Siya ang kasama, manalangin ang kasing mapupuo. Sa pananampalataya, lahat magagawa.
Argumenios respect every life and every people should have their rights.
Tagumenyos respect every life and every people should have their rights. Walang pananaping walang karahasan. Kapayapaan ang ating kailangan sa salita at sa gawa. Pagkala sa buhay ang ipakita.
Our parents are the model of the youth, so the children would grow with right values and dignity.
With right values and dignity. With right values and dignity. Ayusin ang buhay, ayusin ang gawain sa pag-aaral. Maging masipag, mga tutunin ay natin sundin. Malinis sa paligid, maayos na tahanan, maayos na ang ating panatilihin. Aksyon, serbisyo, integridad, ang ikinahanglan sa atong syudad. Aho, aho, agad-agad. Aho, 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 aho. Garbo at agom tungkol sa trabahante. Puno o taglaw, tungkol kanila. Posible ang tanan, posible ang tanan, posible ang tanan.
Kung iubahan ikaw at ato, ang gamiton para sa taong maulaan, taong pamon.
Sa pamilya atong ipanayon, kaayong batasan atong ipasa sa upang henerasyon. Pagrespeto, walang diusa, atong kapingan para sa tanan. Isang Lalo sa tanan na tong istorya Dili pagkakot sa mga impormasyon Kamaturan ilaw sa tanan Taas loob, taas laman Tayong lahat dapat tapat Lupat, laban, barong kabatan ulan Hustisya, hustisya Mamalok kanila Hustisya, hustisya Paminawa ng pagkakinig sa mata pusa Lubida, badong, badong, badong Dapat, lubida, badong, badong, badong Sa panahon na rin dapat magkaiusaan Sa kaupaw, di kita pagkinusara Kinahanglan ang pagkinamangay Kaya diri sa atua Kalapagan sa dili mo balibad sa Tagum City At may palit sa iba Wala na nangyari Hoy, ikaw ako Hoy, kitang lanan Respeto sa balaod Pag-respeto sa gobyerno Maayuhan kayo Ang isyon na nini Maong paminawa O tungka kami Sulong, sulong Pilipinas Sulong, sulong Pilipinas Mali natin ang tangkilingin ang sariling atin Kaya paghigupa sa atong lason Di na matisod Malay-malaya kabataan magkabansa Ang piling-piling atong palibot Kaya kini importante ang atong basaling Pili ikalim nagitan sa kalitasan Pag-respeto sa isig ng tao Ibalik sa tanan Kalat ligpitin, di dapat pabayaan Dahil ang kalikasan ay isang kayamanan Nararapat lang na pahalagahan Tabalong na pag-asa Tabalong na pagkakaisa A good leader is what we demand But a good citizen is who I am A good leader is what we demand But a good citizen is who I am Kabatang may lagang, kabatang may pag-asang maka-Diyos Mapatayan ang kakalikasan Magkatao, ito tatak na kabatang Pilipino Para pa, 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 para padayo Tago, padayo, tago, padayo
And that was our entry number 2, CMDI Chanters! Grabe, Althea! Tabanog na tabanog!
Kaya talaga may visualizations tayo dito. Correct.
Wow! Hitting the theme, malalim at malaya.
Malaya.
Ultra 5 eh.
Lasting friendships for sustainable futures.
Wow.
And I thank you.
Nag-memorize. Okay, having said that, everyone, dagan kayong salamat. Nakabalo ko nga naglisod na itong mga judges. Entry number 1 pa lang to, entry number 2. And of course, later on, we are going to witness some amazing entries here in Jazz Chat Competition 2026. So I think our entry number 3 is now good to go to set the place ablaze. Let us all welcome entry number 3, Tagum City National High School, Senior High School, Chat Nation.
Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebrate and have a good time.
serbisyo, integridad, ikasi-kasi ang pag-alagad, mga prinsipyo hatagan o pagtagad, para sa katawan sa komunidad. Aksyon, serbisyo, integridad, ikasi-kasi ang pag-alagad, mga prinsipyo hatagan o pagtagad, para sa katawan sa komunidad. Dilinis at akong city ang pagkakong kalugar, kaya kami mga nalaman. Dilinis at akong city ang pagkakong kanunay, kanunay, bago metro, walay kumyasahan, magay-usay na umat pinabangay. Dilinis at akong city ang pagkakong kanunay. Kabataan may halaga, kabataan may pag-asa sa paghanap ng serbisyo. Ha! Pinabangay sa paghanap ng serbisyo, pag pinabangay ba? Lugar, laban, parang kapatalunan, mga kinaiyan na nila pataliban. Damo, padayan, parang kapatalunan, mga kinaiyan na nila pataliban. Dili na mo talitan, dili na mo talitan, mga kinaiyan na nila pataliban. Taas o taas ng alako, ha ha aho, aho aho aho, ha ha aho, aho aho. Taas o taas ng alako, ha ha aho, aho aho aho, ha ha aho, aho aho. Tayo'y manalangin ng Diyos ay gabay natin, respeto at tapat, ipamana sa lahat. Halina at tamahalin ang inabayan at alagaan ating kalikasan. Tayo'y manalangin ng Diyos ay gabay natin, respeto at tapat, ipamana sa lahat. Halina at tamahalin ang inabayan at alagaan ating kalikasan. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas, 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 sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Tumidaban, dabad-dubadong, magkahiusap na sumatagigayon. Tumidaban, dabad-dubadong, mga batan ng siya na tuligarun. Sa buhay at huwag kalimutan, ano? Ang mga pagpapahalaga. Isang puso at isang layunin ang tala ng bawat isa. Sa kilos ito'y patunayan tara, pangalan sa delegasyon. Mga kabataan sa bawat gaway, prinsipyo ating panghawakan. Mga Diyos, patayan, baka, kalikasan, mga tao, ito ang tatak ng kabataang Pilipino. Sa bawat salita at gawa,
sa City High, Kanunay. And
Yes.
indeed, Tagum City ang paglaom Kanunay. Right, partner?
Wow! Sa to, City High.
Kaalam Kanunay, og talento Kanunay.
Yeah, grabe. Dili, klaro nga alma mater ni mo ang City High, partner.
Dili, partner, uy. No bias eh.
Okay, and now before we are going to move on to our next entry number, allow me to thank, of course, our partners. Because without you guys, this event wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much to JCI Davao. And of course, to the Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association. And thank you once again to Robinson Small Tagum and University of Mindanao Tagum College. And of course, to the Aurora Coffee. Thank you so much, guys. A round of applause, please.
Yes, and now, let us hear it for our entry number 4, Vox Maxima.
A round of applause naman diyan.
We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on!
Nang bumagong balita sa malakas na ito, ang tumama sa iyong tupad. Magtutulog na tira at sa stasyon ng tasik. Guys, mabuti naman na hindi tayo apektado. Kaya nga, matitikman natin ang problema. Yes, we're classified!
Yes, Jay. Pero man, ay bagay bitaw.
Sus, wala ra na itun, ang papagyunig to, igura ilun. Sus, wala ra na itun, ang papagyunig to, igura ilun. Sus, tira na makalahos, ang pagulan nito, ikaabot tuhon.
Ngunit, walang pinipili ang bagyo.
Madaling baliwalain kapag hindi ka apektado. Madaling baliwalain kapag hindi ka apektado.
Tulong! Tulong!
Tulong! Tulong!
Sa una lang malayo, ngayon nandito na. Sa una lang malayo, ngayon nandito na.
Sa una lang malayo, ngayon nandito na. Sa una lang malayo, ngayon nandito na. Kasi natatakot umaapaw ang baha. Hangin ulan, baha, bagyo. Hangin ulan, baha, bagyo. Hangin ulan, baha, bagyo. Tulong! Tulungan niyo kami. Tahanin niyo na may bigas sa katasira. Tahanin niyo na may bigas sa katasira. Tahanin niyo na may bigas sa katasira. May pagkasa pa ba? O Diyos, tulungan niyo kami. Diyos ko, lumayaan niyo kami. Sa gitna nitong unos, may pag-asa, pag-asa sa iyo. at alagaan ang mahal naming Pilipinas. Buong puso kong gagawin ang aking layunin. Hanggang ako'y humihinga, ito'y mananatiling buhay. Para sa mahal kong bayan at sa aking kapwa mamamayan. Isang puso, isang layunin, kami ay Pilipino. Saranggola ng pag-asa, saranggola ng pag-asa, mapayapa pagkatat, nagkakaisa.
Alright, and that was our entry number 4, Vox Maxima. Grabe! What an heartwarming performance, and grabe tusok kay sa bukog ang ilang performance because very prominent siya nga issue karon, which is the floods and of course the issues in our society today. So grabe, I believe you have something to read,
Yes,
partner.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our officials, Honorable De Carlo Oyo Uy. Of course, our action agad man, Mayor Ray T. Uy. City Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio. City Councilors, Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council. National Youth Commission, DILG Tag.
We would like to thank our officials and partners for making this event possible. Honorable Di Carlo Oyo Uy, City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy, City Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio, City Councilors, Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council, National Youth Commission, DILG Taguig.
Talaga
Ayan!
sila, they know.
Grabe, kabalo na sila kisang musunod. And yes, indeed, you are indeed next. Taguig City Comprehensive Jazz Chanters!
A round of applause, please.
Pamana naman doyong kausapan at tunay kabataang andang bumarong. Kami, Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, anak sa kaugmaan o kauswagan. Aho! Aho! Tunang iisog yun, katawan sa palmera, taganaan at iswag, abutin noon pa.
Ang mga bata na nagkatugay palay pagdaon.
Pero diri sa Tagum, kaliway na nagtigo. Amo na batyagan, nagasa kadaghan. Palugili masaligan, ingon walay batasan. Sa laing na lugar, wala kayo na plasa. Matanon pagpausap, kilinganan mo kabaw. Ato nang hisgutan, biti sa pagatasan. Di na tumasagdan, nagdagas sa batanunan. Kalala ko batanon, di ako natatalaw.
Hoy batanon, dili na masugo, dali masugo. Kusog na musugol, wala na'y kahalo.
Wala na'y kahalo! Adlaw-adlaw kami ligtaran sa kalibutan. Nakahawag kasi na mula sa inugitan. Apan di pa panahon ng balik na kita. Dili na basta simbahan kung dili. Kaniya, magkamo sa uban, mabuha o ganina. Patuon at tinood kasi na buo.
Musalig sa ginong at tinagdas na lang maayo. Hindi ang
Sugat sa paligid, kaamong siyagian. Taas noo, taas tangan, taas tangan, taas noo. Sa matagadaw, makina ang kahita sa panahon. Pusa, panahon ang nakita, ilaw sa tingin. Dili lang kay kaila, dili lang kay higala. Dili balasanan, may piliway pagtula. Tumaw na di bahay, atong ipatibawa. Respeto sa tanan, atong panalin. Kagawasan o galing, para sa tagataw. Di siya barugan, isode, ang kamatuulan. Dili atong buhatan sa walay paglamay-langay. Aksyon, servisyo, seguridad. Sa mataag lakang, atong ipalayag. Jose, madanda, sinada mo padayon. Si Jose, padayon na, hinada mo padayon. Let's go, tara! Padayon ang puso, pagkap sa tunasan. Kami ang tingang sa bang pinirasyan. Panalas likod, kamamon at pagmamon. Kabatang may alaga, kabatang may pag-asa. Usa ka barugan, atong panindigan. Lain-lain man ang surya, usarap mong bandera. Isang puso, isang layunin, bawat hakbang. Bayan na isipin, madali, malaya, kabatang pumunta. Matanong sa bukasan!
Paginaw ka mo, ayaw na mo tuta. Tuta mo gamiton, hindi ang munod. Bakit ka sa ingan at gusto kang kabakuhan, kamay kahawalan.
AI! AI!
Dili!
Dili kami muhawa, dili kami muhagas, kaya hindi na kalatawan. Ang mga malalitan, atong sa aton, wala'y katapusan.
Alaw niyong sulay, ikaw dili mo buhaw. Dili mo mawala.
Usang! Dili inyo ang kinahiyan, dili tupon, atong panalitan ka
That was such a performance from the Comprehensive High School. Grabe, partner. Talagang pinaghandaan nila and they got the whole theater roaring for them. Apakagaling, partner.
Yes, indeed. Grabe. Comprehensive National High School. Entry number 5. Wow. And allow me to read, of course, our sponsors for today. Thank you so much once again to our platinum sponsors. Thank you so much to Finish Line. And for our gold sponsors,
LGU offices, City Information Office, City Tourism and Management Office, Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, and Local Youth Development Council. Our partners, JCR Davao, Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association, Robinson's Mall Tagum, University of Mindanao Tagum College. Platinum sponsors, Finish Line. Gold sponsors, A Skin Perfection Beauty Essentials, Gaudencio Lugaw to Go, K-Store Tagum Korean Mart, Diocesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated, Tagum Cooperative, and 365 Ice Cream and Coffee. Silver sponsors, The Turku Cafe, A Touch of Class Tagum Aesthetics and Wellness Center, Madayao Hotel, Baroque Cafe and Resto Tagum Branch, Dinolandia Tagum, Advantage Digital Systems, Mia's Frozen Products, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, Honorable Ricardo Oyo Uy.
6. STI Dance Chanters!
Okay.
Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time
Walang nakira sa amin, kundi ang alingaw-ngaw ng pangakong kaunlaran niyo! Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw may sala na saan ang halin na saan ang salapi kapag natin may buhay, wasak at walang siga, pagulan. Tingnan mo ang paligid, nasira ang lahat. Kung saan mo pauno, sa ako ito, huwag malapit ko dyan, na inyo ang buhaw. Asabi mangita, asabi patulog, huwag ang buong yuta, na inyo ang buhaw. Asabi mabuhay, Saan ang among paminawon kung ang among kinabuhi inyong bubaon? Pero dili bimuula, dili mapaluya, kaysa kaliwala sa kabubutong kasakit ang among pagtuo sa Ginoo mga Pilipinon. Mabuhat o taro, maginabangay, magay kong kaay, takong patay, taas noon, taas naman. Pagtuo tamo'y kanampusan, pagkama ka Diyos, Diyos ang aming gabay. Pagkama ka Diyos, kabutihan ng tagday, sa bawat araw at sa bawat buhay. Sa Diyos, manalig, manalig, siyang natuhan, hamong saligan, isang dakbayan ng panalang. Kami din, kanunay magpasalamat, sa among inaiyahan, alam sa tong Diyos. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas ipaglaban, barong katawan yung taalang sa tanan. Di kami matitira para sa katarungan. Aho, aho, usa ka tingog, usa ka kasing-kasing. Malay, malay ang kabataan makabansa, kabataan may reda, kabataan may pag-asa. Aksyon, serbisyo, integridad, para sa bayan. Isang puso, isang layunin, nagkakaisa, lupan, laban, barong kabatan ng mga Diyos, nakabayan, mga kaligtasan ng katao. Ito ang tatak ng kabatang Pilipino. Sa katamod, sa kakusog, sa dating tungkog katamod, kung maginabangay ang matagusan, malit ang abuso ang makadal. Umana ang ano, umana papahilo, ibalik na ang tingo, tayo ay mamayabang. Oy, 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 mabuhay ang kabataan! Mabuhay ang katawan! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
And that was entry number 5, entry number 6, STI Jazz Chatters! Grabe! What a lively performance showcasing the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026. Mura kong nasa Kadayawan, partner.
Gahot, partner.
Yes, indeed. And I believe you
And
have
now,
something
I would
to...
like to thank our silver sponsors. We have the Turk.
And Tayo for Persons with Disability Federation. Bronze sponsors, Yuyu Cafe and Dessert Shop. Donors, Durian Basic Commodities Traders Incorporated. In-kind donors, DSE Originals Souvenir Shop. Honorable Renny Gem West Kaasi, Media and School Publication Partner, Mindanao Times, Antagum, The Collegium, and Idea Student Publication.
For the wonderful reading of our sponsors, silver sponsors, and gold sponsors. And now, are you guys ready for our next entry? Entry number 7, to set the blaze ablaze, Rizal Memorial College Jazz Cheers!
A round of applause, please.
It's a celebration.
Ano ang ating sandata? Mga Diyos, nalakot sa Diyos, may dangal sa ating puso. Mga tao, may malasakit, may pagkala, sa bawat isa. Mga kabayan, tapat sa tungkulin, mahal ang Pilipinas. Tapat sa tungkulin, mahal ang Pilipinas. Alagaan ang mundo, alagaan ang paligid, alagaan ang bukas, alagaan ang bukas. Kabataan, ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa gitna ng dilim, bawat isang ating sandigan. Patubay, gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Sa tamang landas, kinabukasan ay makakamtan. Aksyon, serbisyo, integridad. Tagon, padayon. Padayon. Tingnan, nandito na sila. Puro, Emiliano, pulis, nurse, likod bayan. Hindi naligaw, hindi nasayang dahil may gabay at pagmamahal. Lupan, laban, parog, kapatanuran. Mga Diyos, mga bayan, mapakaligtasan mga tao. Ito ang tatak ng kabataang Pilipino. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Sulong-sulong Pilipinas. Ha!
Isang puso!
Isang layunin. Tubita-balong-balong. Taas noon, taas naman. Kabataang may halaga, kabataang may pag-asa. Sananggola, Tagtong, Goryo, Tabalog.
Tabanog ng pag-asa.
Tabalog na pagkakaisa. Ahong, malalim, malaya, kabataang makabansa. Ha! Owe-owe-ya.
Tubadong.
Bakuldos.
Now that was RMC Jazz Chanters!
Wow!
They showed us, partner, that with the right guidance, our Tagumeños will bloom in their respected fields. Diba?
Yes, indeed. Grabe. And now, allow me to read, of course, our partners and bronze sponsors for today's event. Thank you so much to our donors. Bronze sponsors, Yuyu Cafe and Desert Shop. For our donors, Durian Basic Commodities Traders Incorporated. For our in-kind donors, thank you so much to DSE Original Souvenir Shop, Honorable Shara Isabel Uy Salazar, and Honorable Renny Jem Rescaasi. Thank you so much.
Now, partner, andam na ba ka sila sumusunod? Andam na ba mo?
Andam na daw sila. Murag, wala sila
Wala
nakapamahaw,
sila
partner.
ikuanan. Dito maluya, guys. Asa naman mo? Ready na?
Okay, heat check siguro ta.
Sorry, partner.
Heat
Murag
check.
Nahangla nato ni.
Yes. Do I hear the voices coming from ACFI Vanguards?
Yes,
Ayun.
mga performers. Now, where are the CMDI chanters? supporter. Basi
Nagbulag-bulag sila.
Wala sila ng
Nagbulag-bulag.
one pack all. Go.
Do I hear the voices coming from TCA National Senior High School Chat Nation? Ayan.
And asa na ang supporters ng Comprehensive Jazz Chanters? Grabe! Solid as one pa rin talaga
Grabe!
sila, partner. And now, I think we're ready. Let us welcome our entry number 8 from Santo Niño College of Science and Technology Incorporated.
Good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. It's a celebration.
Once again, our entry number 8 from Santo Niño College of Science and Technology.
Mula! Naadap kanino nga tanan, malipayon kami, kay kamo among napitan. Una sa tanan, kami magpasundaya. Among ginabuhat, mga aktibidad, mga gwapo-gwapa, ug bright pa. Ayaw ka mo kaano kay kami mga buotan. Bisan ay nauwan sa kubang, alikan aw sa among pasundaya. Sa among kauban, pero dili pinagsugod og walay palakpakan.
Ala, kanito sa lugar.
Oh, dong! Ayaw ka pala ka maginod sa takot.
Ang tagom, ang tagom.
Ali, nasa takot. future we make that choice. The choice to serve, the choice to care, the choice to love, the choice to share. So let our voices rise. Taas noo, taas naman. High, 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 high. High, high, let the fire shine. Bright, 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 bright. Bright, bright, let the Philippines hear. We are here. Kalimpayan 2026, mga pagkakalaga natin. Buhayin, ipaglaban, at ipagmalaki. Duguan, laban, barok, kabatalunan.
And that was our entry number 8, Santo Niño College of Technology and Science Incorporated. Ayon, ayon. Thank you so much for gracing this wonderful event, guys. Grabe ang atong entry number 8. And later on, we are going to witness our final entry for today, the entry number 9. But before that,
I would like to take this time to recognize our media and school publication partners. We have the Mindanao Times, UM Tagum, The Collegium, IDEA Student Publication, and of course our partner SK Apocon Honorable Valens B. Palaroan. Daghang salamat!
ayan, daghang salamat. And of course, I would like to highlight that we are live in City Government of Tagum.
Yes, partner.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa mga live viewers natin. And of course, comment down below. Wala sa comment section ang link. Comment down below. And now I think we are now ready for our final entry. The last but not the least, the Tagum Doctors College U Ignited!
Through generations, our culture has united as one. Today, the Filipino youth carry that spirit forward. Though we are different, we share one purpose: to learn, stand together, and create change. Together, we shape tomorrow.
Kabalo mo angkot, kabalo sa'yo. Taas noo, taas dangal. Taas noo, taas dangal. Dili kami maulaw sa pagbago. Taas noo, taas dangal. Taas noo, taas dangal. Dubi, 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 dapat dubado. Dubi, 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 dapat dubado. Dili ka na magpabiling buta. Sulong, sulong, Pilipinas. Dili kita mo atras. Sulong, sulong, Pilipinas. Ahu, 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 ahu. Dubi, 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 dapat dubado. Dubi, 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 dapat dubado. Dubi, 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 dapat dubado. Sa atong panagiusa, isang puso, isang layunin. Para kakinsa, para sa tanan. Para sa unsa, para sa Pilipinas. Dili kinahanglan nga perpekto kami. Magsugod sa among kaugalingon. Dili kinahanglan nga uban ang magula. Kami ang magsugod. Dili unga, karon. Kinsa ang bataang magbarong alang sa nasod. Kinsa ang dili ang mahadlok muliho. Kinsa ang magdala sa kausaban, sa kausaban. Kami kabataan. Kami kabataan. Unsa kita? Malaya, kabataang mga bansa. Sabay mananalo, tulong-tulong tayo lupan. Laban, barong kabatanunan. Kinabukasan ay ingatan. Kabataang kagumenyo, kabataang Pilipino. Kami manindigan, hindi urungan. Dalang ating dangal, puso ng bayan. Taas ang sandata, puso ang depensa. Malalim, malaya, kabataang bansa. Dubi, 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 dapat dumado. Dubi, 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 dapat dumado. Tabalong ng pag-asa, tabalong ng pagkakaisa. Ahu, 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 ahu. Taas noo, taas naman. Taas my values and words stand. With love, with peace, DDCI, Sarhan.
Now that was a bang for our last entry. Indeed.
So our awarding of our certification for our Board of Judges. But before that, may we call on the presence on stage of our City Councilor, Honorable Rex Jasper Aala, accompanied by our Youth Development Officer. Accompanied by Youth Development Officer Sir Edu Macabatos, MDCM, duly represented by Event Focal Miss Aliyah Agan for the awarding of certificates. Ayan. So I know you guys are thrilled to witness our top 3 with no particular order later on. But before that, we are going to award, of course, our Board of Judges. Tungkol kay despite sa ila, they are the eyes and the brain of this event.
We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you.
Okay, ngayon, let me hear this bet. Who's your bet, guys?
Ayan! Mananalo kaya ang CMDI Channers!
Yes, there is hope and everything, partner.
Yes!
How about the Tagum City National High School? Asan na yung supporters?
And now for Are You Indeed the Winner? ACFI Vanguards!
Let's celebrate.
Yes, indeed. Hinay lang sila kay sure na sila kasi natin makuha o
Yes,
niya.
mga confident na maganda manala, partner. Okay, na, nasaan ang supporters ng RMC Jazz Chanters?
Ayun sila.
Buhay pa sila, partner. Nasa
Kaway
itaas.
naman dyan. Are you ready, Vox Maxima? Ayun.
Now,
Laban dirate.
yes, correct. Asan ang supporters ng Comprehensive High School? Yes! comprehensive.
With all the drum, of course.
Prepared
Grabe.
sila, partner. Talaga naman.
Ayan, and now, welcome, RMC Jazz Chatters! Ayun.
How about the Tagum Doctors College Incorporated? Yes, doon na sila, partner, with
Ayan.
all the banner.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Magpapatalo kaya ang Santo Niño College of Science and Technology. Ayun, gabulag-bulag dahil sila. Ayan. And then at this juncture, before we award our Board of Judges,
Ay! Hindi magpapatalo. Okay, let me hear your loudest roar, STI supporter! Ayan, wow, nakatar pa
Ni-request
din
nyo sila.
partner. Grabe, partner mo, nag-request kayo, nakatar papel. Perfect ang STI.
alright, before we are going to award, video. Before we are going to award our Board of Judges, allow me to present to you guys a video presented by the Tagum City Youth Development Office.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Chair Jeff Ortega ng National Youth Commission under the Office of the President. Maligod ko pong binabati ang ating mga kabataang Pilipino na isang magandang linggo ng kabataan and National Youth Day. Unang-una po, bilang chairman po ng National Youth Commission, sana ipayagan niyo po ako na ipamahagi ang aking suporta sa lahat ng kabataan sa araw na ngayon. And don't forget na lahat po ng mga ginagawa natin ngayon, kahit na napakaliit lang sa paningin natin, ay napakalaking bagay nito para sa ating bansa. Halimbawa, para ikaw ang isang sangguniang kabataan, gumagawa ka ng mga proyekto that will support digital resilience or kaya ang ating mga farmers and food sustainability, that is not a small thing because sa Pilipinas, napakatagal na problema ng mga yan. And hanggang ngayon, kahit na may traditional tayo na politika, hindi pa rin yan nasasagot. Kaya tayong mga kabataan, panahon na natin para makapag-introduce ng napaka-unique na ideas kung paano solusyonan ang ating mga problema dito sa bansa. And bilang kabataan, napaka-creative, napaka-malikhain at napakatalino ng ating mga kabataang Pinoy na kahit kulang ng pera, kulang ng pagkain, nagagawa pa rin nila ang lahat ng bagay. Sobrang galing. And that is why naniniwala po ako sa panahon ng Linggo ng Kabataan ngayon, dapat natin i-celebrate hindi lang yung mga magagaling, hindi lang yung mga matatalino, hindi lang yung may pera, kundi yung mga bata na kulang ng oportunidad. Walang pera at kulang ng opportunity to learn. And that is why we always have to remember, tayong mga may kakayahan na tumulong, dapat tulungan natin ang kapwa kabataan natin dahil pagdating ng 2028, 70% ng ating voters sa Pilipinas ay magiging member ng kabataan. And napakahalaga na makumbinsi natin sila ngayon pa lang na bago mag-2028, maiboto natin ang mga tamang kandidato para i-lead tayo sa susunod na presidential term. At napaka-importante ito kasi lahat po ng mga tao ngayon hindi nakasalalay sa mga issues na nangyayari ngayon. Hindi rin tayo masyado nakatuto sa mga politika dahil ang iniisip natin ay anong kakainin sa pangaraw-araw. And that is why sa inyong mga kabataan, sa inyong mga proyekto, sa ating mga sangguniang kabataan at youth organization, habang naghahanap pa ang ating gobyerno ng mga ikukulong dahil sa mga nangyayari ngayon due to lack of transparency and accountability, kailangan tayo ay nag-iisip na ng paraan kung paano natin tutulungan ang mga tao na nagugutom, paano natin tutulungan ang mga kabataan na makapag-aral. Ngayon nakikita natin ang literacy rate ng ating mga graduates ay mababa. Therefore, lahat tayo dapat magsama-sama, kahit man kaliwa o kanan, kailangan natin makapagbigay ng isang direksyon kung saan pupunta ang bansa natin sa 2020. And that is why I would like to remind, sa Linggo ng Kabataan, gusto ko lang po i-remind kayo lang lahat na pumoto kayo ng tama at gamitin nyo ang puso. Ang puso dapat may tinatawag na empathy. Ang empathy is a requirement for you to be a good leader. Because sa panahon ngayon, marami talagang gulo, maraming nang iisa, Maraming dumidiskarte, pero at the end of the day, ang dapat na hindi natin kalimutan ay ang ating mga kapatid na nasa laylayan. Kasi sila, kahit anuman mangyari sa bansa, pare-parehas pa rin ang kondisyon. Nagugutom, walang bahay, nababaha. And that is our main problem now. Climate change, climate anxiety, mental health, increase in HIV/AIDS, and syempre sa adolescent teenage pregnancy. Tutukan po natin ito sa ating mga programa sa Linggo ng Kabataan dahil tayo po ay dapat magtulungan. Again, lagi ko pong sinasabi, keep the faith, the hope, and the love. Keep the faith in the Lord na hindi ka bibigyan ng problema ng Diyos na hindi mo kakayanin kahit gaano pa yan kahirap. Keep the love for those, especially dun sa mga nagsasuffer sa sakit na mental health. Dahil mayaman or mahirap, hindi po pinipili ng mental health kung sino ang dadapuan. And alam niyo po, being kind really goes a long way. But don't forget na mahalin yung sarili ninyo. Kasi kung hindi kayo marunong magmahal ng sarili ninyo, mahihirapan kayo magmahal ng ibang tao. And lastly, sana huwag kayo mawalan ng pag-asa na dahil ang ating bansa, kahit anuman yung pinagdadaanan, basta nandito tayo, kapit-bisig, kakayanin natin ang lahat ng problema. Kaya sa ating mga kabataan, sana huwag kayo mawalan ng inspirasyon kahit na mahirap gumising sa araw-araw, lalo na sa mga problema na meron tayo ngayon. Pero please, pagdasal niyo tayong lahat, pagdasal niyo kami sa National Youth Commission na ipagpatuloy yung laban na ginagawa ninyo sa grassroots level. And I hope ito pang 13th Commission ay matanggap ninyo na sobrang inclusive na pwede kayong pumunta sa amin kahit kailan para ipamahagi ang inyong mga concerns sa inyong mga barangay. Again, kami po sa National Youth Commission, bibigay po sa lahat ng ating kabataan, and I hope that one day, when you become chairman of the National Youth Commission or a commissioner of the National Youth Commission, that you continue the good fight para sa kabataang Pilipino.
All right, thank you so much for that message of support coming from the National Youth Commission. And now at this juncture, while we are still waiting for the result of our Board of Judges, I think meron ang nakuha si Althea na i-interviewin.
partner. So let's have here, hello ate, state your name and from what school are you?
State your name and... Hello everyone, I am Yvonne C. Velasco from Tagum Doctors College.
Perfect. Now ate, throughout the performances, who's your bet?
Of course, my school, TDCI!
Ayan, very proud of Tagum Doctors College. Thank you very much ate. Their partner, meron na ba tayo dyan?
Okay, ayan. Na ako'y nakita, I would like to acknowledge the presence of my moderator from City High Dance Theater Guild, Mr. Freddy C. Castro. Grabe. Ayun. Nominated si Sir Diri, our world-class na moderator in the Philippines. And ayan, and I am here in the City High grounds, STI grounds. Sorry ha. Kinsa man mo na ilang gitawag. What's your name, Kois?
Lawrence po.
Lawrence. What is kinsa imong bet?
Before i-shout out na ako ang classmate nga si Stephanie Dotilios. Pakiingon og happy birthday, guys.
Ayan, happy birthday kay Stephanie.
Mga turabi nito niya, send location lang daw. Okay. Okay, what is your message sa imuhang school, Lawrence?
Akong message po is congratulations, like grabe jud kay inyong hard work. Makitanta mo sa gym nga init kaayo niya. Naningkamot jud mo as in. Like congrats. Mo na po.
And give me your loudest cheer sa imuhang school.
Loudest cheer?
Shout out man kaayo,
Ayan! Grabe! Thank you so much, Lawrence! Take it over here, Althea!
And we have here, ma'am. Please state your name and from what school po kayo?
Hello everyone. Actually, ato lang jud ko diri and I'm a college na. So, I'm Juliana Consi Piñaroyo and ang sagot ko
We would like to thank our officials and partners for making this event possible. Honorable DiCarlo Oyo Uy, City Mayor Honorable Ray T. Uy, City Vice Mayor Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio, City Councilors Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council, National Youth Commission, DILG Tagum, LGU Offices, City Information Office, City Tourism and Management Office, Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, and Local Youth Development Council. Our partners, JCI Davao, Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association, Robinson's Mall Tagum, University of Mindanao Tagum College. Platinum sponsors, Finish Line. Gold sponsors, Askin Perfection Beauty Essentials, Gaudencio Lugaw to Go, K-Store Tagum Korean Mart, Diocesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated, Tagum Cooperative, and 365 Ice Cream and Coffee. Silver sponsors, The Turku Cafe, A Touch of Class Tagum Aesthetics and Wellness Center, Madayao Hotel, Baroque Cafe and Resto Tagum Branch, Dinolandia Tagum, Advantage Digital Systems, Mia's Frozen Products.
Si ate na nagtabon sa iyong face. Dali ate, what's your name po and age? And of course, your school and who's your bet aside from RMC? Name.
Good evening, everyone. So I am Christine Randil Denara Likit from Rizal Memorial Colleges Incorporated. And aside from RMC, Bata Batong Compre!
Ayan, perfect! United ang ato ang mga students diri ang partner. Talaga naman
Ilaban
one
mo
for
yan,
all.
Tim.
Correct. And they're over there, partner.
Okay, I have an individual right here. Nag-volunteer jud siya. Ayan! Our binibining number 1! Okay, binibining, what's your name? And unsa ka nga school affiliated?
So, I am Livijan Pablo and I'm from CFBI! Ay, nakatulog! Chares! Alright, so, chares!
Grabe na itong mga CMDI supporters, partner.
Cheer, cheer. Basta kayo i-cheer sa inyo, ha? Basta kayo cheer ninyo. Alright, laban sila. So, akong cheer sa ila, ha? Todo na to! Go, go, go!
Okay! Go, go, go indeed! Ang CMDI. Thank you so much.
For here, partner, we have Ate here. Can you state your name, age, what school, and your thought?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Altea Faye Cohetia, and I am from ACFI, pero of course, nako dire to support my previous school, which is CMDI!
Mahurt, ate na, bayay akfay karon ate yun. Ga-akfay, tanggalin na to dahil talagang traidor. Chares. Okay, ate, ano sa manang imuhang thoughts sa presentation nila karon?
Actually, bago ra ko abot, so wala na ako nakita ilang performance kay nag-perform sa mi sa previous ay sa school namo, so
Okay. I think, partner, meron tayo dyang eager magpa-interview. Go on.
Ayan! Thank you so much, Althea! Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Grabe! I am in the depths of the crowd, partner! What's your name? And unsa ka school affiliated?
My name is Veronic Sinsano from Tagum City National Comprehensive High School!
Okay. Unsa ba to? Muna to yung cheer or napaki-cheer? What? No need na daw. Isa ba daw? Once again, CMDI. Comprehensive DI. Once again, comprehensive.
ay kami silent! Yes, ay! Yes! Todo na to! Hoy, hoy, hoy! Shh! Silence sa... Shh! Kompre! Shh! Dalaag yun ang crown na! Naugayan eh!
Okay, thank you so much, Comprehensive National High School.
I think partner, okay.
Napadaw siya ingon.
Sorry.
Napadaw siya ingon.
So, guys, wala mo kailas ako, but I am one of the candidates of Mutya ng Wika. Ay, nag-promote. Correct! Please support Compre! Silence and Sana! Grabe si Miss. Okay, partner. I think we are ready. So this will be our last interview na. So, what is your name and from what school are you po?
Hello everyone, my name is Nico Andrew Okyas from Tagum City National High School!
Grabe, hugyaw na kaayo, Nico, ha? Okay, let me ask you, as the next binibining award, okay, what did you feel during your performance? I know dili sa yun mag-perform on stage.
Well, first of all, kapoy jud kaayo, no? Pero like, at the same time, kay ni pay off sad ang amo ang mga sacrifices. Ang 1 week na mo nga wala ni inom og coke. Ang among pag-atog, McDo nga walay coke float sa mix and match. Diba guys? Guys, worth it kaayo ang among performance karon kay dili lang ni nag-witness sa amo ang preparation pero naka-inspire sad mi sa mga kabataan na mag-join og events sa atong Tagum City Youth Development Office events karong Youth Festival. Yes,
that is perfect, Nico. Thank you so much. Dapat talaga ang kabataan natin mag-join tayo, mag-explore tayo, right, partner?
Yes, indeed, Althea. And now, gusto mo yung mag-interview ninyo, but we are having the result right now. And are you guys excited? Who is your bet? Ayan! But before we are going to announce our awarding ceremony, please allow me to be accompanied on stage. May go on the presence of our Councilor, Honorable Rex Jasper Aala. And of course, accompanied by our event focal, Miss Aliyah Agan, for the awarding of certificates.
This certificate of appreciation is presented to Sunshine C. Angkos as the judge in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026. Your expertise, fairness, and dedication in evaluating the participants' talents, creativity, teamwork, and performance greatly contributed to the success and integrity of the competition. Given this 27th day of August 2026 at Hermenegildo C. Baloyo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines.
And signed, Edu G. Makabatas, MDCM, Youth Development Officer, and Honorable Ray T. Uy, our City Mayor.
The same certificate is awarded or presented to Ma'am Mika, Aliyah, and Antigua. The same certificate of appreciation is presented to John Robert L. Gaspan as the head of judge in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026.
And signed by Edu G. Makabatas, MDCM, Youth Development Officer, and City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy. Thank you so much once again. Let's give it up to our Board of Judges, because without them, this event wouldn't be possible. Their fairness and duty, of course, in the eyes and ears of our event is, of course, their job. Thank you so much once again for gracing this wonderful event. And now we are going to award a certificate of participation of different school. This certificate is awarded to ACFI Vanguard as official participant. And of course, as the coach, to Chavi T. Barboza and the ACFI Vanguard. A round of applause, please, in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Competition Jazz Chant 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026.
The same certificate of participation. Okay, may we request ACFI Vanguards to please be on stage and let's have a photo opportunity.
Ayan. Together with the coach and of course our participant. Walang uuwing luhaan because the way you participate, you are already a winner.
Yes, perfect partner.
Ayan. And given this 27th day of August 2026 at Hermenildo Zibayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines, and signed by Edo G. Macabatas, MDCM, our Youth Development Officer, alongside with our City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy. Thank you so much once again.
The same certificate of participation is presented to CMDI chanters alongside with their coach, Asher Mauricio. Are requesting the ACFI Vanguards to please stay on stage, on the side of the
Stage
stage.
po tayo.
Huwag po muna tayo
ACFI.
bumaba.
ACFI Vanguards for our final photo opportunity later on. Ayan. And once again, calling the attention of our next participator from CMDI. Ayon. Your remarkable talent, creativity, teamwork, and dedication in using the power of voice and performance to inspire, engage, and celebrate the values of the Filipino youth greatly contributed to the success of the event. Given this 27th day of August 2026, at Hermenildo Zibayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Signed, Edo G. Macabatas, MDCM, and Ray T. Uy, our City Mayor. Ayan. Congratulations naman sa ating mga participants. And of course, their coaches.
The same certificate of participation is presented to TCNHS SHS Chant Nation alongside with their coach, Ma'am Ronalyn S. Avila, for their official participation in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026.
Yes, indeed. Your remarkable talent, creativity, teamwork, and dedication in using the power of voice and performance to inspire greatly contributed to the success of the event. Ayon, mga city hires, and of course, their coach. Congratulations for participating.
The same certificate of appreciation is given to Vox Maxima and alongside with their coach, AJ Joser B. Duterte, for their official participation in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026.
Yes, indeed. Given this 27th day of August 2026 at Hermenildo Zibayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Congratulations to our participants. And once again, it's signed by Edu G. Macabatas, MDCM, alongside with our City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy.
Yan, congratulations to all our participants.
Grabe! Based on their aura, we can't know kung sino ang top 3. And we are going to award that later on kung sino ang mananalo. And of course, in no particular order. Once again, in no particular order.
The same certificate of appreciation or participation is presented to Compre Jazz Chan alongside with their coach Angelita D. Moreno. As their participation in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026. Your talent, creativity, leadership, and unwavering support have inspired the participants to develop their confidence, teamwork, and passion for performance while celebrating Filipino values and the vibrant spirit of the youth. Given this 27th day of August 2026 at Hermenegildo C. Baloyo, MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Signed by Sir Edu G. Macabatas, Youth Development Officer, and Ray T. Oy, our City Mayor.
And for our next participant, congratulations, you will receive a certificate of participation to STI Jazz Chanters, and of course, alongside with their coach, Mr. Clint Francis Absalon, in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026. Given this 27th day of August at Hermenegildo C. Bayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Ayan, congratulations naman sa ating mga partisipante.
Ayan, parang kinakabahan na mga participants natin,
Yes.
partner. Sino kaya ang makakapasok sa top 3?
Yes, indeed. And of course, they are all winners in the heart of our Tagumenyo because it is indeed a city of harmony here in the theater.
The same certificate of participation and appreciation is given to RMC Jazz Chanters alongside with their coach, Alde John A. Matalo, in the
Round of applause,
Kalimbanan
please.
Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026.
Ayan, as they're now gracing the stage, we are witnessing some amazing performances kanina. And of course, meron talagang mananalo at congratulations na rin for our top 3 in no particular order. And now the same certificate is awarded to SNC STI Voice Vibe alongside with their coach Ayan A. Buenavista in the Kalimbanan as a participant in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chants Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival here in our City of Harmony. Given this 27th day of August at Hermenegildo C. Bayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Ayan, we are seeing some dazzling performances earlier and of course our dazzling and very beautiful participants alongside with their teachers and their coaches.
The same certificate of participation and appreciation is given to Youth Ignited of Tagum Doctors College Incorporated alongside with their coach, Kyle Vance Barger, in the Kalimbanan Inter-School Jazz Chant Competition 2026 as part of the Tagum City Youth Festival 2026. Your remarkable talent, creativity, teamwork, and dedication in using the power of voice and performance to inspire, engage, and celebrate the values of the Filipino youth greatly contributed to the success of this event. Given this 27th day of August 2026 at the Hermenegildo C. Baloyo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Signed by Sir Edu G. Macabatas, our Youth Development Officer, and Sir Ray T. Oy, our City Mayor. Congratulations!
A round of applause please sa ating mga participants. Congratulations na rin for participating. Because without you guys, the Jazz Chant Inter-School Competition wouldn't be a success.
Yes.
And of course, sa atin na rin mga participants and mga viewers mga live viewers naman dyan, comment down below kung sino sa inyong isip ang mananalo at magwawagi na makapasok sa ating top 3.
Talagang kinakabahan na ang ating mga participants partner dahil malapit na nating malaman kung sino ang pasok sa top 3.
Ayan, and now we are going to arrange ourselves for the final photo opportunity. Ayun, ayun. And of course, we'd also like to thank the committees, volunteers behind this event, different sectors, yung mga nagtabulate, yung mga ushers, and of course, the stage actors, and kaway-kaway naman dyan sa tech team. Ayon sila, because without you guys, this event wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much once again for participating in our yearly Inter-School Jazz Jam 2026 competition. All right. And now, if your school is called, move lang po tayo forward. Doon po ang first na matawag. Second is dito sa right side, and the center is ang pinaka-last na matawag. Okay? In no particular order. Dili ka kayo, nasa ko ang result. In no particular order. In no particular order, you are indeed pasok ka sa top 3! But before that, we'd also like to thank our partners and sponsors.
We have Honorable De Carlo Oyo Uy.
Thank you so much.
Our Aksyon Agad Man, Mayor Ray T. Oy. Our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio. And our City Councilors, Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council, National Youth Commission, DILG Tagum, LGU offices, City Information Office, City Tourism and Management Office, Panlungsod na Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan ng Tagum, Tagum City Youth Development Council. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan! Who is your bet? Entry number! Pasok ka sa top 3 in no particular order. Entry number. You heard it right. Entry number 7, Rizal Memorial College.
And congratulations to RMC.
Grabe.
Please stay on the left side of the stage.
Ayun. And now, yes, indeed. Ipapakita ang iyong grit dahil pasok ka pa rin sa top 3. Entry number.
Our partners, JCI Davao, Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association, Robinson's Mall, Tagum, University of Mindanao, Tagum College, and of course, Aurora Coffee.
Ayan, and yes indeed, who is your bet, guys? Entry number 6, 5, 3,
1,
2, okay. Malalaman natin yan. Yes indeed, you heard it right. Entry number 5, Compre Just Chat.
Congratulations to Comprehensive High School.
Grabe! Congratulations! Again, This is in no particular order. And if your name is called, move forward sa center stage. Huwag ka nang kabahan dahil pasok ka sa top 3. Entry number. Entry number.
Entry number. Platinum sponsors, we have Finish Line. Our gold sponsors, Skin Perfection Beauty Essentials, Gaudensio Lugaw to Go, K-Store Tagum Korean Mart, Tio Cesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated, Tagum Cooperative and 365 Ice Cream and Coffee.
Ayan, thank you so much, Aldea. And now,
Salamat po.
to cut the ice and to break the ice, pasok ka sa top 3. Who's your bet? Entry number. Yes, indeed, you heard it right. Entry number 6, SDI Jazz Janice.
Congratulations!
Ayan!
Grabe ang hugyaw. And of course, congratulations to our participating schools. Walang uwing talunan.
Grabe! What a twist of event it was! Top 3! See you in the Pagpupugay this August 31 here in the Hermenildo G. Bayolo MD Hall. And of course, thank you so much na rin sa ating mga partisipante. Our different sectors of school in Tagum City. Meron pang next year, bounce back and claim the throne in the Inter-School Jazz Jet 2026 competition. Alright, photo op po tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much for gracing the stage, our participants. And of course, congratulations na rin sa ating top 3 for bagging our top 3 and to be presented in the Pagpupugay this August 31 in the Hermenildo Bayolo MD Hall, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Congratulations! Ayan, congratulations! We would also like to thank our committees, of course, our focal, Ma'am Aya Agan. Because without you, Ma'am, this event wouldn't be possible.
We would like to thank our officials and partners for making this event possible. Honorable DiCarlo Oyo Uy, City Mayor Honorable Ray T. Uy, City Vice Mayor Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio, City Councilors Miss Alma Uy for Tourism Council, National Youth Commission, DILG Tagum, LGU Offices, City Information Office, City Tourism and Management Office, Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, and local
strengthened by the friendships and shared purpose with
Development Council, our partners, JCI Davao, Future Bridging Leaders Program.
Have a wonderful day, Kabataan Tagumeños!
Association, Robinson Small Tagum, University of Mindanao Tagum College. Platinum sponsors, Finish Line. Gold sponsors, A Skin Perfection Beauty Essentials, Gaudensio Lugaw to Go, K-Store Tagum Korean Mart, Diocesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated, Tagum Cooperative, and 365 Ice Cream and Coffee. Silver sponsors: The Turku Cafe, A Touch of Class Tagum Aesthetics and Wellness Center, Madayao Hotel, Baroque Cafe and Resto Tagum Branch, Dinolandia Tagum, Advantage Digital Systems, Mia's Frozen Products, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, Herbal Di Carlo Oyo Uy, and Tayo for Persons with Disability Federation. Bronze sponsors: Yuyu Cafe and Dessert Shop. Donors: Durian Basic Commodities Traders Incorporated. In-kind donors: DSE Originals Souvenir Shop. Honorable Renny Gem West Kaasi, Media and School Publication Partner, Mindanao Times, UM Tagum, The Collegium, and Idea Student Publication.